MetaTrader 5, how to log in MetaTrader 5 account. If you want to log into your MetaTrader 5 account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then actually open up your browser. Then once you open your browser, this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now you can go to metatrader5.com and you can use the Windows, Mac or the Linux version of the application by installing them. But for easier access, I will simply use it in the web terminal. So I'll click on the web terminal, which will take me to trade.metatrader5.com/terminal. Now, right here, since we are trying to log in and not open an account, first of all, what we have to do is to click on the three lines option from the top left. Then go to the option here that says trading account, and here you can see connect to account. So this is the option that we want to select, connect to an account option, where all you have to do is just enter your login ID and then make sure to enter your password here. Once you enter your login ID and password, if you want to save your password, you can make sure that this is checked. Then you can say server is MetaCodes. Then once done, if you want to contact the company, you can do that as well. But you can just click on the connect to account option to go ahead and then connect it. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then log into MetaTrader 5. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.